Welcomed by a crowd of supporters at OR Tambo International Airport, South Africa's treasured queen Demi-Leigh Nel-Peters has returned. Demi-Leigh Nel-Peters is back in her home country and ready to take on the task as Miss Universe, and she's focusing on empowering women.
As Miss Universe South Africa, I got this platform where I was able to empower women with skills and knowledge on how to handle unwanted situations through my Unbreakable campaign. And that alone was amazing, and I was surprised with what I was able to achieve and how many women I was able to reach in such a short amount of time. But now, being Miss Universe, I have a global platform, and my campaign is something that is a global issue, and women face all over the world every single day, and I think it's even more relevant now than ever before.
The 22-year-old's Unbreakable campaign empowers women on how to handle situations like assault, domestic violence and sexual harassment. Nel-Peters made history after she became the second South African to bag the Miss Universe title, last worn by Margaret Gardner in 1978.
It's the first time in 39 years that this crown is coming home, so I know how happy and just how excited people in South Africa are, and to see the smiles on their faces, to see the little girls at the airport that were so excited to see me, that's a very big responsibility, but it's such a big honor. And to bring that joy back to South Africa, it's such a big honor.
Demi-Leigh will be in the country for a week of celebrations. Julie Shire, CGTN, Johannesburg, South Africa.